facing 2 vehicular homicide charges, and just a day later, he walked out with a $1,000 fine and 12 months of probation. I spoke with one of the victim's mothers who says she feels like the system failed her daughter.
When you take a life, the way you word something shouldn't have mattered. The death spoke for themselves.
It was a ruling that stunned an entire courtroom on Friday.
I thought I misheard.
A judge's decision to dismiss charges of vehicular homicide and failure to maintain lane against 19-year-old John Walker. The ambulance driver authorities say caused this crash that claimed the lives of 32-year-old Takeda Miles and 29-year-old Jada Watley back in March.
I'm disappointed. I'm hurt. I'm angry. They threw my child away.
Watley's mother, Cheryl Price Collier, says she is left feeling numb after witnessing her daughter's killer go home with just probation and a fine, a far cry from the 4 years in prison he was facing.
I have 5 children. This is my 2nd child that I've lost in less than a year.
2 daughters, both killed in car accidents. Though Jada's case made it to trial, she says it wasn't the outcome she hoped for.
I feel like the judge had no mercy for my child or Miss Miles.
Walker's attorney tells Fox 5 the facts of the case weren't on his client's side, but the law was, and that the language prosecutors used in their formal filing of charges wasn't up to state standards.
If you judge the case solely on the facts, he would have been found guilty in less than a minute. The document they filed did not meet the requirements of Georgia law.
Though the judge agreed, he says there are no winners in this situation. And in response to a request for comment, a spokesperson with the solicitor's office said, quote, "We respectfully disagree with the court's decision and believe that a jury should have decided. Both parties presented case law and the court made its decision. We also respectfully disagree with the sentence on the remaining count. Our prayers remain with the victims and family impacted by this tragedy." At the Fulton County Courthouse, Joy Dukes, Fox 5 News.